With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We remove the screw. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Now we remove the screen connector. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. It's time to remove the broken screen. We have finished the disassembly process. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending on the color of the device. Now it's time to install the new screen. We have finished the assembly process.